Hello, air pollution control and control. This topics is very important to know the students. There is a first learning objective. The student will be able to explain the air pollution causes and ill effects. First, what is means the air pollution? Then, what is the sources and the classification of the pollutants? Second, what is the effects on the man, the material, and the vegetation? Third, introduction to the meteorological aspects such as atmospheric stability, mixing heights, and the plume behavior. Next, control of industrial air pollution, settling chamber, bag filter, cyclone separator, scrubbers, electrostatic precipitator. Next, introduction to global issues, global warming, acid rain, ozone depletion, photochemical smoke, carbon credit, control of vehicular pollution, and air quality standard. Here, the first point is what is the definition of the air pollution. So, it can be defined as the introduction by humans deliberately of substances or energy in form of heat, radiation, noise into environment, resulting into deleterious effect. It means the contamination of air from pure air to the others air, and then there is a mixing of that air and that becomes contamination, that is called the air pollution. Now in the world there are three types of the pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Here the contamination means it is the presence of elevated concentration of substances in environment, food, etc., which may not necessarily be harmful. The pollution involves contamination, but contamination need not constitute pollution. Now, details in the air pollution definition. It is basically the presence of foreign substances in air in excessive concentration which adversely affect the well-being of individual or cause damage to property. Pollutants. There is examples: smoke, fumes, ash, gases, dust, etc. According to the WHO, means World Health Organization, the air pollution is defined as substances put into air by activity of mankind into concentration sufficient to cause harmful effects on health, vegetable, non-movement property or interfere with the enjoyment of his property. Second, ISI define it is the presence in ambient atmosphere of substances generally resulting from activity of man in a sufficient concentration present for sufficient time and circumstances which interfere significantly with comfort, health, or full use of property. And there is a very good example that is happening as a historical overview: the London smog. It's happened in 1961. John Evelyn, in his famous pamphlet in form of the Fumigum, recommended the removal of all smoke producing plants from London, but London did little of it until famous London smog of December 1952. Major pollution disaster occurred. That is due to the coal-induced smoke is formed by interaction of the sulfur dioxide, smoke, and water from H2SO4 means sulfuric acid meet. It is the last for 5 days and cause 4,000 deaths. Second, in India, the Bhopal gas tragedy in form of the methyl isocyanate MIC gas leak in Bhopal in December 1984 has been regarded as the worst industrial accident related to air pollution. At least 5,000 people were killed and 50,000 people have been seriously affected by the leak of poisonous MIC gas from the Union Carbide pesticide plant. So all these are the good example in which the cause of the air pollution.